President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. inspects a pumping station in Las Piñas as the country continues to experience heavy rains and typhoons. The president also instructed the Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Vince Dizon to review and reassess flood control plans. We have more details from IBC News correspondent Harley Valbuena.
Charlotte, who runs a noodle stand along the Zapote River in Las Piñas City, recalls how her livelihood used to suffer whenever floods hit the area during heavy rains. But that struggle is now behind her, thanks to the deployment of a high vacuum self-priming drainage trailer pump already in use in the city.
Kahit papano, bawas-bawas na nakakapagtinda na kami ng maayos. Nung kasi pag bumaba siya, sarado kami, wala kaming hanap buhay.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. inspected the mobile pump stationed at Alido Bridge in Barangay Zapote. It has a water pumping capacity of 0.8 cubic meters per second. It collects water from different areas in Las Piñas and then dumps it to Zapote River, which also undergoes dredging. This intervention has significantly reduced flooding in the area from chest-deep waters before, now down to just gutter level.
So effective naman ang ating ginagawa, ngunit alam naman natin kulang pa rin yan. Patuloy ang ating gagawin nito dahil hindi pa tapos ang trabaho. Marami pa tayong gagawin.
Mababaw na lang po yung naging ng baha. Hanggang tuhod na lang.
Passable na siya madaanan, hindi na siya mababaha.
President Marcos Jr. also ordered DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon to revisit flood control plans, especially in Metro Manila. Local and barangay officials were also tasked to address the recurring problem of garbage.
Lahat po tayo dito ay dapat kumilos. Hindi pwedeng nagkukuya-kuya-kuy lang tayo lagi.
The president also visited evacuees in Verdun Covered Court Evacuation Center and personally handed gifts to children. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.